A very good morning to all my friends. It's day 1 for the 30 days yoga challenge. Let's start with some head movement. So first we'll do side movements and we'll do 3 to 4 times. So let's start. Keep your shoulders down. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now we will do forward and backward. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now we will do the head rotation. So we'll start. Keep your chin down towards your chest. Now start going to the right. Keep your shoulders down. Now coming back, chin down to the chest. Two. 3. Now from the other side. 1, 2, 3. Keep your head relaxed. Head back to the center. Now we'll try to stretch our back and remove some stiffness. So we'll start with, put your hands like this. Then inhale. Stretch your back. Then exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next, put your hands like this. Now, extend your chest and make an arc in the back. And inhale. Then, make a hunch on the back and exhale. And put your chin to the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center. Now we will rotate our back and 5 times one side, 5 times other side, and breathing will be normal. So we'll go like this. 1. Stretches all sides. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other side. 1, 2, feel it. 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. Close your eyes for the 10 seconds. Be in present. Now open your eyes. Open your legs. Basically left leg. So we'll put it like this. Put it like this. Now your left arm on the shin bone, or you can put it on the ground based on your comfort. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now the left arm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now you can put it on the ground also, and you can keep it straight first, then inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Change the leg. Keep the right leg like this, left leg like this. Again, this hand on the shin bone. Then inhale, exhale. 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 Now back to the center. So next is put your sole of your feet together. Your elbows little away from you and palms on the ground. Now your hips, shoulder and back on work already, and making you ready for the day you're gonna face today. Now keep your body like this for a while. Keep your breathing normal. Now relax your body. Back to the center. You can put your body in any comfortable position, sukhasana or anything. Now close your eyes and focus on your body for a while, and allow yourselves to be ready and be present in whatever you are going to do today. Now gently put your palms together and to your heart, and be grateful for having this time in this busy universe to give to yourself for your health. Thanks to the universe.